Today we are going to discuss about night work safety. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Poor visibility leading to accidents. Use proper lighting and reflective clothing. Hazard number 2. Worker fatigue and reduced alertness. Take regular breaks and stay well rested. Hazard number 3. Increased risk of slips and trips. Keep work areas clean and well lit. Hazard number 4. Difficulty in communication at night. Use clear signals and communication devices. Hazard number 5. Higher chance of equipment accidents. Operate machinery carefully and follow safety rules.